Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to change the speed of your videos in Davinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Davinci Resolve program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Davinci Resolve, where we can get started with adding our videos. So we can go ahead and either get started with dragging and dropping from our folders on our PC directly, or just go into the file option right here and click import to add our media. So after doing so guys, your videos are going to appear right here, and we can get started with adding our videos to the timeline like I have and get started editing them. So add your videos and now we can get started. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and select the video that you want to change the speed for. So as you can see here, I have a couple of videos. I'm going to select this video right here, and now we can go ahead and get started with changing the speed of our videos. So select your video and go to the inspector menu right here into the upper right corner. In the upper right corner, click on inspector. That's going to open up this new menu right here where we can see all the options that we can access in Davinci Resolve. And guys, as you can see, one of them is going to be called speed change. So you will want to go ahead and enable the speed change option to get started with editing the speed of your video. Currently guys, this is available only in the paid version of Davinci Resolve, which I do not have, so I cannot use it. But if you have the paid version, you can go ahead and click on speed change, and this is going to enable you to go ahead and get started with changing your speed right here, as you can see. And you can go ahead and get started with managing your speed, how fast you want it to be, and so on. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.